It was a bright afternoon when Gudia's mother called from the kitchen. Gudia, pack your bag. We are visiting Grandma's house tomorrow. Gudia's eyes sparkled wide. A real trip? She squealed, hugging her teddy tight. Without waiting, she dashed to her room, grabbed her little pink bag, and began tossing things inside. Her big toy drum, a stack of drawing books, a giant pillow, even a plastic t-shirt. Soon, the bag was stopped, plugging, and the zipper on close. Gudia sat on the floor, frowning. She pushed and pulled the zipper. Still, it would not close. Frustrated, she crossed her arms. "Why is packing so hard?" she whispered. Just then, her elder brother peeked in, smiling. "Gudia, are you packing or moving the whole house?" he teased. Her brother sat beside her, gently saying, "Let me teach you, Gudia. We pack what's needed, not everything." He pulled out a notepad and began listening. 2 pairs of clothes, a cap, a water bottle, snacks, medicines, and a small first aid kit, tissue paper, toothbrush and toothpaste, soap, a torch, one favorite toy, and one storybook. "And remember," Vaya added, when we travel, we follow travel manners too." He counted on his fingers. "Listen to me carefully. Wait your turn in line. Keep your voice soft on buses and trains. Say thank you when someone helps. Keep your space clean, no littering. Hold an elder's hand when crossing roads. Never accept things from strangers and never go anywhere with them. And lastly, behave properly. Be polite and respectful to everyone." Gudia's eyes sparkled. Together, they neatly folded her clothes, placed the essentials carefully, zipped up the kit, added her teddy and a small book on top, and closed the bag with no trouble at all. "Bhaiya, look, I did it!" Gudia giggled, jumping up and clapping. That evening, Gudia, with her packed pink bag, rushed towards the living area. Gudia proudly showed her packed bag to her parents. Her father smiled. "Look at our little smart traveler." Her mother gave her a proud hug. "Now you are ready for any trip, Gudia." That night, Gudia snuggled with her teddy, dreaming of Grandma's house and all the little adventures waiting for her. So, packing smart means being ready, not heavy.